The United States Postal Service, USPS, provides reliable, affordable, and efficient mail delivery services across the U.S. and internationally. They offer a wide range of postal products, including letters, packages, and priority shipping, with tracking and delivery confirmation options. To integrate USPS with your shipping processes, you need to obtain USPS Account Credentials. Simply follow the step-by-step guide to register for a USPS account and get started with seamless shipping solutions. For more details, you can visit the link in the description. How to integrate ReachShip with USPS. After creating your account, go back to ReachShip, click on Shipping, and select USPS as your carrier. Then, enter your USPS credentials and click the Validate and Save Settings button. Your account will be added. Once your account is added, go to the API section where your credentials will be generated. Copy the credentials, then go to Settings and paste them to connect your account. Your account will now be connected. When you visit the dashboard, you'll see that USPS is successfully connected. From here, you can choose any shipping option you want, then click Next. Enter your origin address and other details, then click Finish to save the settings. Next, go to the Carrier and Service page, where you will see USPS as an option. Select the service you want, then save it. You also have other options available, such as label settings and rate settings. Now, go to the store, add an item to the cart, and proceed to the cart page. You will see the available services. Choose your preferred service and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you will also see the available services, select one and place your order. Finally, go to the Shipment and Printing page, where your order will appear. Click Create Shipment. Afterward, you can download the generated label. To track your shipment, simply click Track Shipment. To get connected with ReachShip or for any support, feel free to reach out to the ReachShip support team. For more detailed information, check the link in the description below.